Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Sir Zafar and you are watching Z Tutor. The topic today is law of demand. What is law of demand, dear students? In practical life, we will see that when the price of goods increases, we are not willing to purchase these goods in a large quantity. But when the price decreases, we are running to purchase it in bulk quantity. What is the reason behind it? Suppose we are going to purchase a good and the price of this good is 10 rupees. And at this price, there are 100 people who are going to purchase this good at the price of rupees 10. But we will see when the price of that good is decreases, more and more people are coming to the market to purchase these goods because this is now cheaper one. At the price of rupees 10, only 100 people were there in the market to purchase that good. But when the price reaches at 8 rupees, there are other people who are not willing now, now they will be in the market and purchase these goods also. So at the price of 10 rupees, only 100 people are going to purchase. But at the price of 8 rupees, I think 200 people will be there in the market to purchase that good. Because now the price of this good has been decreased. And once again, if the price decreases and reaches at only 6 rupees, more and more people will be there in the market and the demand will be increased and that will reach at 300 people. At 10 rupees, only 100 people are going to purchase, but at 6 we are going to see that there are 300 people to purchase this good. And once again, if the price decreases, more people will be there and demand will reach at 400. And if the price goes to only 2 rupees, 500 people will be there to purchase this good. And don't think that the price will now go at 0. There is nothing in the world which costs 0. So we will not go to 0 and we have to drop this before 0. The price will be always greater than 0. That will not be at equal to 0. Now this is known as schedule of the demand. Now we will draw a graph with the help of this schedule. Price and demand. You are absolutely free where you want to put price and where you want to put demand. You may put demand here or here, but in the diagram you are bound to put price here and the demand's value here. You are not supposed to write a demand here or price here. And with the help of this schedule, we may draw the graph. These are the values of prices and we will have to write here 2, 4, 6 and 10. Similarly, we are going to write here 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. When the price is rupees 10, 100 people are there to purchase that good. And we will merge these two points. We will meet these 2 points. Here we will take 10 and from here we will take 100. At the price of 8, there are 200 people and we will make a merging point with the help of these two values, 8 rupees price and 200 demand. And at the price of 6, we will take 6 and 300. 6 and 300 will generate a new point, and at price is 4. When price is at 4, there are 400 people to purchase the good, and with the help of 4 rupees and 400 demand, we have to create a new point and at rupees 2. There is another point to be generated with the help of 2 rupees price and 500 demand. With the help of these points, we are going to draw a straight line, this is known as DD. D stands for demand. The demand curve goes upward to down, from upward to downward, from left to right, which indicates that when this goes downwards, it means that prices is going to downward. And if the curve is going to left or right side from left, this indicates that the prices, when prices decreases, demand increases. If the price decreases, demand will increase. Students, dears, we will read it in reverse form. When the price is rupees 2, 500 people are going to purchase. If the price increases and reaches at 4 rupees, demand will decrease. At rupees 6, once again demand will decrease. At rupees 8, demand will also decreasingly reach at 200, and if price increasingly reaches at 10 rupees, the demand for that good will only be 100 people. It means that if price increases, demand decreases, and if price decreases, demand increases. This was a little topic today. Inshallah ta'ala Aziz, we will discuss this topic thoroughly in the next video. Stay with us. Take care. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.